Welcome to our guide on how to mention multiple users in a Twitter post on your PC. Let's dive into the steps together. To begin, open x.com on your PC's web browser. Next, there are two ways to compose a tweet. You can either click the tweet box at the top of the homepage or click the tweet button at the bottom of the left sidebar. Once you're in the tweet composition box, type out the text you want to post and remember to leave a space after your message. To tag a specific user in your tweet, type the egg symbol, followed by the username of the person you want to mention. After typing the username, a list of suggestions will appear. Select the correct profile from the list to tag that user in your tweet. To mention multiple users in the same tweet, simply repeat the tagging process for each additional account you want to tag. As you tag users, their usernames will appear in blue within your tweet. When you're ready to share your tweet with the tagged users, click on the tweet button located at the bottom right corner of the tweet box. By following these steps, you can effectively engage and interact with multiple users in your Twitter posts. Enhance your connections and conversations on Twitter using this tagging method. Thank you for watching and happy tweeting.